It's Miss Karen again at the Stanton Public Library, and it's Wednesday, so it's time for craft making. And we are still in the month of February, and in the month of February we celebrate two birthdays of past presidents. One is Abraham Lincoln on February 12th, and the other one is George Washington on February 22nd. And so I thought it would be a good idea to make a puppet with both presidents. So we have a puppet that is 2-in-1. Let me show you what it will look like when you finish. It will look something like this. You'll have President Washington on one side, and you'll have Abraham Lincoln on the other. And let me show you quickly what they look like in real life. Both of these men lived a long time ago, but this is George Washington. He was the first president of our country, and sometimes people call him the father of our country because he was the first president. And this is a picture of Abraham Lincoln, and he was the 16th president of our country, and some people refer to him as Honest Abe because he valued telling the truth and being honest. So sometimes you'll hear him referred to as Honest Abe. And so this is also the craft that is in the children's art grab bag for this week. And so I am just going to walk you through that and use the things that are in the bag, and you'll use some things that you have at home. And you may request the art grab bag through curbside service here at the library if it's not already in the box out on the curbside. Okay? So in your bag, you will have many items. The main two are cutouts. This is Abraham Lincoln. He liked to wear a tall top hat. And this is George Washington without his wig. And yes, believe it or not, men did wear wigs when George Washington lived. Okay? And what you'll need before you get started is some glue, some bottle glue, clear glue or white glue. Glue sticks are not going to be strong enough, so some bottled glue will do. And you'll need some tape and something to color with, either some crayons or some colored markers that you may have at home, or you may even have some colored pencils at home. Okay? So what you're going to do first is you're going to color each cutout. So you'll want to make Abraham Lincoln's hat black because it's a top hat. And then you can color his face a skin color if you happen to have that in your crayons or your colored markers or pencils. And then you'll want to color the iris of his eye. That is the white part around that middle dot. You'll want to color that whatever color you'd like. Okay? And then you'll put that down. And then you'll pick up the George Washington cutout, and you'll want to color his arms and his body, this part, blue, some shade of blue. It doesn't matter what shade. And then you'll also want to color his eyes. I made his blue on here, but you may choose any color you like. Okay? All right. Now it's time to take Mr. Lincoln here and glue on his eyebrows. And I'll show you on here. These are his eyebrows, and I call them bushy eyebrows because they're really thick. So you want to glue those on. And then you'll want to take the beard, and you'll want to attach the beard. Now, here's a hint to help you. I have cut some slits in the brim of his hat, and the reason I did that is so that when you attach the beard, you can put the ends of the beard behind those slits and tape on either side. You want to tape here, and that will hold the beard on there. And just make sure, I think I made this beard a little bit too thick, but just make sure that you show his smile. okay? And then you want to put that down, and we will go back to Mr. Washington here, and you will find a lace cutout. It's not real lace, but it's a paper cutout of a lace collar, and you'll want to glue that right below his face, in the middle, in the center of where his arms are, right here. And then you'll want to take the blue hat that's in your bag and the yellow star and glue the star right in the center of the hat, okay? Now, what you want to do, we're going to attach the two pieces before you put the cotton balls on for President Washington's wig, okay? So you will want to put a good amount of glue on the back side, the plain side, the blank side of both of your cutouts, and you want to take the popsicle stick in your bag and you want to put glue on either end of it at one end, and you're going to take the popsicle stick and you're just going to put it here at the bottom on the other side of Mr. Washington's pants, right there. And then you'll take the other cutout, the one of Mr. Lincoln, and you're going to press that down on top. But you want to make sure that you match them up, okay? You want to make sure that you match up Mr. Lincoln's hat with Mr. Washington's body, okay? So that it will look like this. All right? Now let that dry, and after that dries, then you will take your cotton balls and you will glue them side by side all the way around George Washington's face to make his wig. And you may need to stretch the cotton balls like this a little bit to make more of the wig, okay? And once you have those in place, you'll take the hat and you'll want to turn the hat to the back and put some glue here near the bottom, and then take the hat and press it right down on top of the cotton balls, and you want to make sure you press it gently and let that dry, okay? All right, and once that dries, then you are all finished and you have a two-in-one puppet. You have George Washington, the first president of our country, on one side, and you have Abraham Lincoln, the 16th president of our country, on the other. Thanks so much for joining me. I'm going to tell you ahead of time how proud I am of you for doing that. That was not an easy craft. I hope you enjoyed that, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.